Hi students, today we are going to study lesson 7, conservation of plants and animals. What is the meaning of conservation? Conservation means usable or sensible. That means these things are carefully used. Then in previous class we already studied some natural sources. Example, soil, water, fuel, minerals, plants and animals. In this chapter we study how to then conserve or carefully use plants and animals, and we use our natural resources carefully, then it can use next generation. When we look next, first we discuss deforestation and its causes. What is the meaning of deforestation? You hear the word forest, then another word is deforestation. What is the meaning of deforestation? Then what is deforestation and its causes and its purpose that we will study in this chapter. A forest is a large area covered with trees and plants. It provides habitats for animals and plants. The process of clearing away forest by cutting them down or burning them is called deforestation. You have to see forest contain many more plants, some animals there. Then deforestation means cutting off trees and burning these items. That this means trees wasted. This is called deforestation. People clear forests to use the wood or to make way for farming and development. The various causes of deforestation are procuring land for cultivation. Cultivation means in this forest deforest, after that area use cultivation. Cultivation means farming, then crop production using. Then next use building houses and factories. That for deforested area use building factories and forests, building houses. Then making furniture or using wood as fuel. These forest trees use furniture items. That means chair, table, these are made of wood. Then this use deforested trees and use for fuel things. Then some natural causes of deforestation are forest fires and severe droughts. Then next is consequences of deforestation. What are the consequences of deforestation? First is global warming. Global warming means we have to cut more trees. You know, trees provide oxygen. This oxygen who breathe? Human beings breathe this oxygen. Then more amount of trees cutting time in our area have no oxygen. Full this area have carbon dioxide. This type of process is called global warming. Next consequence is disturbance in water cycle. That means disturbance in water cycle means trees are important in water store in our earth, and trees help to store the water to earth. Then next consequence is soil erosion and desertification. Soil erosion means in that area have no trees there, that soil is flow into another area, that area is soil erosion. Then desertification means that area have no trees there, this area look like a desert. Then next consequence is floods. Floods means then shortage of food and other forest products. You have to cut trees there. Shortage of wood and other forest products. Then you have to look at your textbook. What are the consequences of deforestation? Then droughts. Then the droughts means the increasing temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle and may reduce rainfall. This could cause droughts. Then deforestation is a major cause which leads to the change in soil properties. Physical properties of the soil get affected by plantation and vegetation. Then fewer trees result in more soil erosion. Removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower hard and rocky layers. The soil has less humus and is less fertile. Then gradually the fertile land gets converted into deserts. It is called desertification. That means trees cutting by that area is desert looking. That means desertification. Then conservation of forest and wildlife. That means how to carefully use forest and wildlife. Wildlife means this forest include some animals also live there. How to carefully use them. Then biosphere is a part of the earth in which living organisms exist or which support life. Biological diversity or biodiversity refers to the variety of organisms existing on the earth, their interrelationships and their relationship with the environment. Then in this chapter some more children is visiting a forest. They are leading a Professor Ahmad, and they will come to the forest and some information collected from the forest living people. Then conservation of forest and wildlife. First is protection by law. We obey the law of the protection. Then next is afforestation. Afforestation means it is the act of planting more trees to replace the ones that are cut. It also takes place naturally if the area is left undisturbed. Then protection from forest fires. It can be done by spraying fire extinguishing solutions from aircrafts or by changing the direction of wind by using strong blowers. That means you have to hear forest fires. That means this more heat the time the frost is burning there. Then personal and society efforts. Some organizations help in conservation of forests through their projects, programs and joint efforts with the government. Example, one was a program celebrated every year during the first week of July in India and initiated in 1950. Then habitat preservation. In this method, protected areas such as wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, biosphere reserve, etc. are established. Then these areas are large enough to protect the diverse and whole set of ecosystems. Plantation, cultivation, grazing, cutting of trees, hunting and poaching are prohibited in this protected area. That means habitat preservation means some laws there they protect. Example, plantation means more planted trees. Then cultivation is more to grow farming. Then grazing, then cutting of trees, hunting and poaching are exhibited. Then we have to hear some words: wildlife sanctuary and natural. What are these? Then you look in page number 78 box. To protect our flora and fauna and their habitat. Flora and fauna detail study next class. Then protected areas called wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves have been earmarked. Then plantation, cultivation, grazing, felling trees, hunting and poaching are prohibited there. Then wildlife sanctuary. What is the meaning of wildlife sanctuary? Areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. In the example, forest living animals. These have no another disturbance there. Only that area animals living there. Then national park. Areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. In national park, you have to visit some park there. This area, they have to freely move in there. Any more another disturbance there. Then biosphere reserve. Large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resources and the traditional life of the tribals living in the area. That means a biosphere reserve means in this area you have to see some forest inside, some people also living in this type of life is called biosphere reserve. Then we discuss one by one. First is biosphere. Biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve. First, biosphere reserve. What is biosphere reserve? Biosphere is a part of the earth in which living organism exists or which supports life. That means biosphere reserve means it exists or support their wildlife. Then biosphere are the areas for conservation of biodiversity. As you are aware that biodiversity is the variety of plants and animals and microorganisms generally found in an area. The biosphere reserves help to maintain the biodiversity and culture of that area. A biosphere reserve may also contain other protected areas in it. That means in this area some animals and plants are living there. Then next we study flora and fauna. How to hear this word in your song. Then first flora and fauna. Some type of special species of wildlife and flora and fauna. Then flora means some animals and plants typically belong to a particular area. The plants and animals of a particular area are known as flora. That means some plants and animals are only seen in particular area. This type of plants and animals are called flora. Flora means some animals and plants are living in particular area. This type of species is called flora. Then next is fauna of that area respectively. These are found naturally in that area. Fauna means these plants and animals living everywhere. That means they are looking in area respectively. That means they come to see anywhere. But flora is seen in particular area. Then fauna is seen in area respectively. Then cheetah, wolf, leopard, then chingara, blue bull, barking deer and wild dog are the example of fauna of the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. One biosphere reserve there, Pachmari Biosphere. In your textbook, page number 80, some flora and fauna type animals and plants. First is sal, teak, mango, jamun, silver ferns, arjun, etc. are the flora and chingara, blue bull, barking deer, cheetah, leopard, wild dog, wolf, etc. are example of the fauna of the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. What is the biosphere name? Pachmari. P-A-C-H-M-A-R-H-I. Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. Biosphere Reserve. These are some animals and plants are very particular area are seen. Then you look your textbook. They are very we should not disturb them. That means we have to discipline animals not disturb them. Madhavji explains that some animals and plants typically belong to a particular area. The plants and animals found in a particular area termed flora and fauna respectively of that area. That means flora is some animals and plants seen in particular area, and fauna means animals and plants are seen in respectively. Then next is endemic species. And what is endemic species? Endemic species are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in particular area. That means we have to study flora. Flora means particular area. In flora, this another name is endemic species. This is endemic species. Endemic species. Then this type of example is endemic species. Example is bison, Indian giant squirrel, and flying squirrel are endemic fauna of the area. Then destruction of their habitat, increasing population, and introduction of new species may affect the natural habitat of endemic species and endanger their existence. What is the meaning of species? Species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. This means that a member of a species can reproduce fertile offspring only with the members of their own species and not with the members of other species. Members of a species have common. That means a species means only one group of animals or plants there. Example in endemic species, then leopard species. Endemic species means that group only leopard. They are breeding their members. All characteristics are same there in this area. Another type of animals now there. That means endemic species. Then next we study and partially study next class. Today we study conservation of plants and animals. What is the meaning of conservation? Conservation means carefully or sensible use of plants and animals. That means we cannot cut our trees. Trees are very important in our life. Trees and animals or plants are very important in our life. Then how to conservation of plants help to soil, avoid soil erosion, then water holding capacity, then more water storing capacity. These are the uses of trees. Then animals also give food, some food items. These are the major part of our earth. These are called natural resources. Natural resources are important in our life. That means next generation also use it. We have to more use these things. This capacity is less there. Okay.